Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Intel Arc B series graphics card. So friend, Intel has announced new Intel Arc B series graphics card. The Intel Arc B580 and B570 GPU offer best-in-class value for performance at price point and that are accessible to most gamers, deliver modern gaming future and engineering to accelerate AI workload and the included Intel Xe Matrix extension XMX AI engine power, the newly introduced XeSS compromise of three technologies that together increase performance, visual fluidity, and responsiveness. And the previous generation, compared to graphics card, the Intel Arc P series GPU offers 70% better performance per Xe cores and 50% more performance per watt. And the B580 GPU, when compared to the Intel Arc A750 GPU, is on average 24% faster at 1440p, with some games up to 78% faster when compared to the competition. The Intel Arc B580 GPU offer up to 32% better performance per dollar. And the graphics card from the same add-in board partner will be available starting from 16 January 2025 and price start from 219 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.